Okay, we just came back. I just dropped off my son at the light rail, and she's doing so well in the car. Good job, lady. Let me get you out. Hi, you ready to come out and play? Hold on, let me get you down first. Good girl. You, let's go. Good girl. Sit. Yes. Good job. Good girl, lady. Good girl. Come here. Here, bub. Lady, come here. Do you need a potty? Oh, she needs a potty. You pottying? Good girl. Yes, good girl. Yes, okay? No? You. Good job. Good job. Such a nice day. Sit. Lady. We're gonna wait for that car to pass by. Sit. No. Sit. Don't be afraid of the car. Sit. 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 No. No. Sit. Sit. Shh. Sit. Good girl. Yeah, it's okay. See? All right. Shh. Shh. No need to be afraid of the car. Good girl. Yes. Good girl. You did it.